Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the wave height preferences on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings button next to your email and go to the Viter preferences section. And here you can find the wave height option and just set the ideal value and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.